today, I'm going to be opening this Aloe Surprise Fashion Crush. And they're so adorable because I just opened one in just a few minutes ago. And they had laundry baskets. I had a hot pink one. So I wonder what laundry baskets I get next.
And it was gross, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Like we don't like to really touch it.
But this time I think I'll be just a little bit more brave and I'll do it.
This is kind of hard. You try to get that one open. Can you get it strong, girl?
Yep. And if you guys didn't know, I've been climbing since I was a baby. So that's why I'm pretty strong and I can do it. Yeah. You just pull it. Got it. And then you do the other zipper right here. It's really weird because it's like a laundry basket. So I guess you pull this one. Yeah.
Let me open
I got it.
this thing.
Ah! We're rolling. And here's the, I guess this is the putty.
This is what the list. And let me see, let me let it focus. This is the one we got right here last time. If y'all can see, it had like hearts and stuff on it.
This
Right,
one's
is
like
it the same one?
No, it's like, it's glittery.
Oh my gosh.
It's glittery. Look at it.
Okay.
It's like teal
Let
glitter.
me show the camera.
Wait, let me get the whole thing open so I can see.
Oh, let's see.
That's so sparkly.
Oh my god.
What if we get a sparkly one?
I don't know. Ooh, it's so nasty to touch. Barf. Hey, remember how we said you gotta turn it upside down and like shake it? Wasn't that the easiest way that we did? And let it come out in your hand? Like keep doing that. Yeah, jiggling it. Let me see. Yeah, jiggle it out. It's coming. I think that was the easiest way. That keep jiggling it. You need me help? Let me see. Yeah, you gotta like bang your.
That's really stuck.
Oh, I dropped it. I'm so sorry. Okay, there we go.
Look at that. It has
let me
moon.
see. Let me do. See? Can you guys see?
It's really sparkly.
Oh yeah. Okay, get it out of there and put all that slime stuff back in that laundry thing.
I think it's I think the dress will be sparkly.
Let's
Ew.
see. Gross. Pick up that slime. We don't want
Where's it?
mittens
Where is
eating
it?
it.
Where is it?
It's right there. It's like not safe for cats, right?
Yeah. We might. I don't. I'm just not a big fan of putty. It's really.
Did you get one out?
Not yet. I'm about to get it though.
Gross.
I got it.
I
Popped
wonder
open.
what made the LOL doll people make it in that's what is it's not really it's not slime. What is it? Like putties?
Putty. Ooh, it says MVP on it.
Oh, okay, MVP, then we got this one. Where is that? Right there.
Why? Well, you ain't gonna show me because you're gonna make me a surprise. You ain't gonna show me.
It's not focusing very good. It's that one that has the pink on it right there. And the green. Oh, let me see.
Shoes. Sorry, stuff right there. There's a putty.
This one.
Okay, can I go wash my hands while you're showing the camera?
Yes. Because this stuff is so nasty, isn't it? It feels weird to touch. So this is what we got. See? Ew, what gross. It's a cute little outfit. These are the little shoes that it comes with. And it came with a necklace. All right, here comes Hillary.
Oh, I didn't show the camera this.
Oh, is that our spa thing?
It always bends for some reason. I don't know why they
'Cause they
bend
have to-
it.
So your hand's super clean now? So I'll do the dirty work and clean off the outfits.
Like and subscribe to my channel and click that subscribe button. Turn notifications. Give me a huge thumbs